barbell band decline chest press. All you need is a mini band. You would place the mini band around your wrist. You would choose the band that gives you some challenge in keeping your wrists apart, your arms, but not too much. Using the mini band is going to recruit more shoulders, and it's a great addition to our workout, while still recruiting the main driver, which would be our chest. So our basic setup for the barbell, you're going to have rings on the barbell, and you're going to find a place, use those as marker, that allows you to get maximum recruitment of your chest. So for me, I place my middle finger around the rings, and here's our setup. I inhale, bring the bar up, exhale to stabilize. Inhale again as the barbell comes down, exhale as I press. 3, 2, 1, exhale as I press. As always, safety bar, have someone to spot you. Enjoy the exercise.